Okay, it is January 6th, 2013, and it's a wee bit cold outside. With the wind chill, it's supposed to be about -40 to -45. So we are going to try throwing some hot water out the window.
Gaga.
Let me go get the pot of hot water. Okay. Hey guys, it's going to be cold, and this is very hot water. Uh-oh. I thought I unlocked this. I think the window's frozen shut. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, ready? I'm only doing this once.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Sonic blast of cookies.
All right, there's a little bit more.
It makes clouds. Cold clouds.